Shalom, dear friends, from the President's residence in Jerusalem. It is a true privilege for me to share my congratulations with the people of Papua New Guinea and with Prime Minister James Marape as you reach a moving milestone. 50 years of independence. Israel and PNG sit on opposite sides of the world, oceans apart. And yet, despite the great distance, we share a strong bond of friendship. One that is based on strategic interest, shared values of democratic governance, equality, tolerance, and love of the Bible, and the pursuit of peace and cooperation between our nations. We in Israel are deeply grateful for the profound support and solidarity the people of Papua New Guinea have voiced for the state of Israel in our most difficult of hours. I fondly recall Prime Minister Marape's historic visit to Israel in September 2023, when he inaugurated the embassy of Papua New Guinea here in Jerusalem, Israel's eternal capital. Of course, our friendship goes beyond that in both ways. The cooperation between our nations in fields as vital as they are varied in doing so much good for our nations. Israel is proud to share its resources, knowledge, and expertise with dear friends and allies. And our foreign ministry is excited to be developing concrete plans to send equipment, medical delegations, and variety of training programs to PNG in agriculture, education and healthcare, and entrepreneurship to the benefit of the peoples of our nations. So, dear friends, on behalf of the people and the nation of Israel, please accept once again my warmest congratulations. As we say in Hebrew, Mazal Tov. I look forward to the many ways our bonds will continue to blossom and grow in the coming decades. Bless you all, and let's hope and pray and work to bring all our hostages back home as soon as possible, every one last of them.